are you moving your activity table around, Maya? The activity table that doubles as a walker. All your toys are so multifunctional, aren't they, little girl? She's getting good at the reverse, too. Maya, you're silly. And you're proud of your silly little self. Uh-oh, she's getting better at steering. Okay, fine. If I can't move it, I'll just play with it. That's okay, too. Uh-oh. She got... No, she got her walker over the bump earlier. She hasn't gotten that one over the bump. So determined, Maya. So determined. Look at me, Daddy. Going around the whole room. The great activity table tour. Oh, it's also a jungle gym. This table really is multifunctional.